Alright, let's go see what the 99-cent store's got in the way of padlocks. Not much to choose from here. They're all very cheap locks. I might get that one, might get that one. It's nice of them to put the wrecking bars next to the padlocks. That saves a bit of time. Welcome to the mess, guys. Messy workbench is a sign of an active workbench. That's what I say. Here's the lock from the dollar shop. Cost me 99 cents plus tax. Alright, in lock is what it's called. There's the bitting, if you can see that. 4 pins. And for full disclosure, I picked it on my way home because I took Peanut up the mountains for a walk, and I can tell you now it's a horrible, hideous lock. But I'm going to see if I can find the pins in here. There's zero feedback. I did pick it top of the keyway, but the top of the keyway is, it's like all mushed up. So I'm going to try bottom of the keyway this time. There we go, we got it. Yeah, I'll just show you that it actually does work. I swear I only touched 2 pins in there, but it is a 4-pin lock. And it works. So that's it. Horrible lock. I'll be using this as a fishing weight. That's what I do with my destroyed locks and locks that I dislike. So thanks for watching. Catch you later, guys. You don't get a lot for $1. Actually, I'm going to try a knife. I'm going to see if a knife will open the thing. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. Yes, it will. Yeah, forget picking, just use a knife. Or a toffee hammer. A swift tap with a toffee hammer will pop this thing wide open. Catch you later, guys.